Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to solve 6 integral problems using substitution. Para magamay natin yung substitution ay kailangan natin mag-practice ng mag-practice. Sa previous video ko ay meron na rin ako doon na 8 integral problems using substitution. Sana panoorin nyo. Let's get started. Number 1. The integral of dx all over x multiplied by ln of x multiplied by ln of x. Okay, power rule does not work kasi hindi ito variable raised to a constant power. Now, try natin substitution. Etong dx, pwede natin ito ilabas, magiging 1 over x, tapos eto. Kung mapapansin natin, ang derivative ng ln of x, that is 1 over x. And that inspires us to let u is equal to ln of x. Now, get the differential of both sides. Sa pagkuha ng differential, kunin lang natin yung derivative multiplied by du or dx. Differential ng u is 1 du or simply du. Differential ng ln of x is 1 over x dx. Now, solve natin si dx. Just multiply both sides by reciprocal of this. Ang reciprocal ng 1 over x is x. Multiply natin by x both sides, magiging x du. Pag minultiply natin to ng x, makakancel lang yan. Now, substitute. Dx is equal to x du. Ln of x, palitan natin na u. Eto, palitan natin ng u. Now, makikita natin na makakancel, di ba? Matitira sa atin is integral of du all over u ln of u. And, mapapansin ulit natin, 1 over u ln u. Magsa-substitution ulit tayo. And now, gagamit tayo ng ibang variable. Para sa akin, w. Let w is equal to ln of u. Get the differential of both sides, magiging dw. Differential ng ln of u is 1 over u du. Now, solve for du. Multiply both sides by reciprocal of 1 over u. That is u. Magiging u dw. And eto, pag minultiply mo ng u, makakancel. Now, substitute. Du is equal to u dw. Tapos u, ln of u, pinalitan natin na w. Makikita natin etong u na dalawa, makakancel. Matitira sa atin is dw over w or 1 over w dw. Nilabas ko lang yung dw. And etong integral, meron tayong general formula dito. Kapag meron tayong integral of 1 over u du or 1 over x dx, and dito 1 over w dw, ang integral lang niyan is ln, absolute value of kung ano yung variable na ginamit natin, ln of w. And wag muna tayo maglagay ng plus c kasi hindi pa to yung final answer. Kasi ibabalik natin sa x. In terms of x dapat yung answer natin kasi original problem natin is in terms of x. W natin is ln of x, ln of u, I mean. And ang u natin is ln of x. Therefore, nasa x na tayo. And eto na yung final answer natin. Don't forget the plus c. Number 2. The integral of e raised to 2x multiplied by cosecant e raised to 2x multiplied by cotangent e raised to 2x dx. Okay, power rule does not work. Now, try natin substitution. Alin ba yung ililet natin na u? Kapag nilet natin na u, yung 2x magiging e raised to u, cosecant e raised to u, cotangent e raised to u, which is komplikado pa rin. What if i-try natin u, etong e raised to 2x? So, magiging u is equal to e raised to 2x. Get the differential of both sides. Magiging du is equal to, kunin mo lang yung derivative, that is e raised to 2x multiplied by 2. Kasi, chain rule. Dapat gamay natin yung derivative sa exponential function. Then, don't forget the dx kasi differential. Solve for dx, just divide both sides by etong expression. Magiging du all over 2 e to the 2x. Now, substitute. Integral of u, magiging u na yon, u cotangent u, and yung dx natin is du all over 2 e to the 2x. Mapapansin natin na meron pa tayong in terms of x. And etong e raised to 2x is exactly yung nilet natin na u. So palitan natin, magiging u. Mapapansin natin na makakancel ito. And meron tayong over 2. Pwede natin siya ilabas kasi constant. 1/2 integral of cosecant u cotangent u du. Now, paano ito ma-integrate? Using the general formula, dapat alam natin ang integral of cosecant of u multiplied by cotangent of u du, that is equal to negative cosecant u. So magiging 1/2 multiplied by, and kung gusto nyong i-check, kunin nyo lang yung derivative ng answer natin. Ang derivative nito is exactly eto. Now, balik na tayo sa substitution natin. Magiging negative 1/2. Nilabas ko yung negative. Diba ang u natin is e to the 2x. Palitan na lang natin. And don't forget the plus c. Ito na yung answer natin. Number 3. The integral of secant squared theta, tangent squared theta, d theta, all over the square root of 1 plus tangent theta. Okay, power rule, hindi. Substitution, try natin. Kung etong denominator ay wala, masusolve agad natin yan kasi kapag nilet natin na u, yung tangent, makukuha natin yung du is equal to secant squared tapos d theta. Pero since meron yan, anong gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin is try to let u is equal to etong nasa baba. Kasi kung makikita natin, eto ay hindi na natin siya masisimplify kahit gumamit pa tayo ng trigonometric identity. So, let natin yan. Huwag natin isama si radical. Now, get the differential of both sides. Kunin mo lang yung derivative. Eto 0. Derivative of tangent theta is secant squared theta. Don't forget the d theta kasi differential. Solve for d theta. Just divide both sides by this expression. Now, palitan na natin. Magiging secant squared theta, tangent squared theta, tapos yung d theta natin is du over secant squared theta. Then, that is all over the square root of u. Diba? Pinalitan natin. Makikita natin na ito, makakancel. Matitira sa atin is tangent squared theta du over the square root of u. Now, naglet tayo ng u tapos sinubstitute na natin. Dapat ma-express natin siya in terms of u lahat. Kung makikita natin mayroon tayong theta. Paano natin yan gagawin? Etong tangent squared theta, huhugutin natin siya dito sa substitution natin. Ang gawin natin, solve natin muna si tangent theta. Para makuha si tangent theta, ilipat lang natin yung 1, magiging u minus 1. And to get tangent squared theta, square both sides, magiging tangent squared theta. Eto pag in-square natin to, magiging u minus 1 squared. Or pwede rin natin tong simplify agad, magiging u squared minus 2u plus 1. Dapat marunong tayo mag-expand ng binomial using yung formula na a minus b squared, that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Kung hindi nyo pa to kabisado, kabisaduhin nyo muna to. Now, substitute. Diba ang tangent squared theta natin is eto, in terms of u squared minus 2u plus 1, tapos du all over the square root of u. And etong the square root of u, pwede natin siya isulat as u raised to 1/2 power. Kapag mayroon tayong square root, that is just equal to 1/2 power. Now, split natin yung fraction. Magiging u squared over u raised to 1/2. Same base, just copy the base tapos subtract the exponent pag nag-divide tayo. 2 minus 1/2, that is 3/2. Dito naman, copy natin yung 2. U divided by u raised to 1/2, diba this is u raised to 1. 1 minus 1/2, that is positive 1/2. And eto, 1 over u raised to 1/2, that is u raised to negative 1/2. Di na natin ma-divide. Ang gawin natin, inigit natin yung numerator. Ilagay natin sa numerator, etong denominator. And don't forget the du. And now, meron na tayong variable raised to constant, variable constant, variable constant. So, gamitin natin yung power rule. Sa power rule, mag-plus lang tayo ng 1, tapos divided by the result. Magiging u raised to 3 half plus 1, that is 5 half. Tapos divide natin by 5 half, or kapag sinimplify natin 1 over 5 half, that is equal to 2 over 5. Ganun yung pagsisimplify niya. Dito naman tayo minus 2. 1 half plus 1, that is 3 half, di ba? And divided by 3 half, or just multiply by 2/3. 2/3 times 2, that is 4/3, di ba? And last, dito, plus 1. Negative 1 half plus 1, that is positive 1 half. And divide by 1 half, or simplify natin, magiging 2. Now, eto na yung integral natin, yung sagot dito. Balik na tayo sa u. So, magiging 2 over 5. Ang u natin is 1 plus tangent theta. Tapos raised to 5 half. Diba? Eto yung u natin. Ibalik lang natin. 1 plus tangent theta. Raised to 3 half. Plus 2. 1 plus tangent theta. Raised to 1 half. And don't forget the plus c. Eto, sinubstitute ko lang lahat ng u. Eto yung answer natin. And kapag yung teacher natin is ayaw ng ganito, fractional yung exponent, edi ano natin, simplify natin. Etong 5 half, di ba, that is equal to 2 plus 1 half. So hiwalay natin yon, magiging 2 over 5. Tapos copy lang natin yung base, 1 plus tangent theta. Kunin natin yung buo, 2. Tapos multiply natin, copy ulit yung base. Ano yung tira? That is 1 half, di ba? Dito naman, tapos eto pa lang raised to 1 half, simplify agad natin. Di ba ang raised to 1 half, that is square root. So eto na yung first part ng sagot natin, simplify agad natin. Eto, 3 half is equal to 1 plus 1 half. So sulat natin yung buo, yung 1. Huwag na natin lagyan ng exponent. Copy ulit, tangent theta. Yung tira is 1 half. And palitan na pala natin ng square root. And yung last natin is 2. Diba raised to 1 half yan? Gawin na lang natin is square root na agad. And don't forget the plus c. Eto and eto are just the same. Sinimplify lang natin. Number 4. The integral of x dx all over x plus 1 squared. Okay. Expand ba natin to? Hindi na. Kasi kapag in-expand natin to, magiging x squared plus 2x plus 1. Tapos, x over that, hindi yan makakatulong sa atin. Hindi natin siya masisimplify. Power rule, hindi. Try natin substitution. And ang ililet natin na u is yung mas complicated na expression, which is x plus 1. Huwag natin isama yung power kapag naglilet tayo ng u. Now, get the differential of both sides. Differential of x is 1 dx. Or simply dx. Differential ng 1 is 0. And dx is equal to du. Now, substitute x. Ang dx natin is du over magiging u, diba nilet natin na u, tapos squared. Now, meron pa tayong in terms of x. Gawin natin, hugutin natin siya dito. X is equal to u minus 1. Etong positive 1, nilipat ko lang para makuha natin si x. Substitute, x is equal to u minus 1. Tapos du all over u squared. And split natin, napaka-basic, u over u squared is 1 over u. And eto, 1 over u squared is still 1 over u squared. And pwede natin siya ilipat sa taas. Magiging u raised to negative 2. Inegate lang natin yung power. And du. Now, integral of 1 over u, du is equal to ln absolute value of u. And eto, power rule, just add 1 to the exponent. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So magiging u raised to negative 1 over negative 1. And now, simplify muna natin. Magiging etong negative 1, tapos may negative tayo, magiging positive yan, di ba? And tapos meron tayong u raised to negative 1. Pwede natin siya i-simplify as 1 over u, di ba? And now, balik na tayo sa substitution natin. u is equal to x plus 1 and 1 over x plus 1. Ito na yung answer. Don't forget the plus c. Number 5. The integral of dx all over 1 minus the square root of x. Okay. Di na natin ito masisimplify na denominator. Power rule does not work. Try natin substitution. And no choice tayo. Ang ililet natin na u, yung denominator. Now, get the differential of both sides. Differential of 1 is 0. Differential nito is, kunin natin yung derivative ng the square root of x. That is 1 over 2 the square root of x. And don't forget the dx. And etong derivative, just use the power rule of differentiation. Dapat gamay natin yan. And solve for dx. Multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this. Tapos, multiply din natin ang negative para maging positive yung dx natin. Magiging negative 2 the square root of x du. Now, substitute. Magiging negative 2. Palitan natin yung dx. Tapos, eto magiging u na lang, di ba? Now, makikita natin meron pa tayong the square root of x. Gawin natin, kunin natin siya dito sa substitution. To solve for the square root of x, ilipat natin para maging positive. Tapos, ilipat ko rin yung u, magiging negative. Palitan natin, magiging negative 2. The square root of x is equal to 1 minus u. Now, lahat na tayo sa u. Simplify muna natin, expand. Magiging negative 2 plus 2u all over u du. And, ito magiging integral of negative 2 over u plus u plus 2, du. And, etong negative 2 ilabas na natin. Tapos matitira, the integral of 1 over u is natural logarithm of absolute value of u. Then, integral of constant. Copy mo lang yung constant. Multiplied by the variable, yung ginamit. So, ayan. And balik tayo sa u. Di pa tayo tapos. U is equal to 1 minus the square root of x plus 2 1 minus the square root of x plus c. Ito na ba yung sagot? Pwede pa natin ito masimplify. Diba ito? Pwede natin siya maging isulat natin as 2 minus 2 the square root of x. Just expand or distribute. And makikita natin na meron tayong constant. Add them. Magiging negative ln 1 minus the square root of x. Constant plus constant is still constant. So, wag na natin isulat yung 2. Ito na. Tapos plus c. Ito na yung final answer natin. Number 6. Last problem. The integral of x plus 3 all over the square root of 1 plus 2x dx. Okay. Di na natin to masisimplify na denominator. Power rule does not work. So, try natin i-let u yung mas complicated. Etong nasa loob ng square root. Huwag natin isama yung square root. So, get the differential of both sides. Differential of 1 is 0. Differential of this is 2 dx. Solve for dx, that is du over 2. Now, substitute. X plus 3. Mamaya na muna. Yung dx muna tayo. Magiging du over 2 the square root of u. Diba? Nilit natin na u. Now, yung x plus 3, paano ba natin yon mapuproduce? Using this substitution, i-produce natin yon. Magiging u minus 1 is equal to 2x. Now, to solve for x plus 3, just add 3 both sides. Magiging x plus 3 is equal to u minus 1 over 2 plus 3. And ito, simplify natin. LCD 2, magiging u minus 1. 2 times 3 is 6. And this is equal to u plus 5 over 2. And ibalik na natin siya dito. U plus 5 over 2. Now, simplify natin. Ito, 2 times 2 nasa baba. Magiging over 4 yan, di ba? Tapos, yun na, over 4. Pwede na natin siya ilabas. Magiging 1 over 4. Tapos, magiging u plus 5 du all over the square root of u. Now, simplify na lang natin. I-split natin. Magiging 1 over 4 integral of u over the square root of u. Diba, eto, this is equal to u raised to 1 half. So, u over u raised to 1 half, that is u raised to 1 half. Diba? And eto, 5 over u raised to 1 half. Pwede natin ilagay sa taas. Inegate lang natin yung exponent. And, power rule. Just add 1 to the exponent. 1 half plus 1, that is 3 half. And divide natin kung ano yung nakuha natin. 3/2 divided by 3/2 or simply multiplied by 2/3. Ito rin. Just add 1, negative 1/2 plus 1, that is positive 1/2. Divide both sides by 1/2 or simply multiplied by 2. So magiging 5 times 2, that is 10. Now, anong muna natin? Distribute, magiging 1 over ilan? 1 over 6 u raised to 3/2 plus magiging 5 over 2, diba? Pag distribute, u raised to 1/2. And now, balik tayo sa u. Diba, ang u is equal to 1 plus 2x raised to 3/2. Tapos, etong u, 1 plus 2x, raise natin so 1/2. And don't forget the plus c. And eto, pwede rin natin to masimplify pa. 3/2 is equal to 1 plus 1/2. So, pwede natin siya hiwalay. Magiging 1 plus 2x. Eto yung 1. Tapos yung 1/2 naman is yung square root. 1 plus 2x. Same lang yung loob. And now, eto, since 1/2 to, that is square root. Don't forget the plus c. Eto na yung final answer natin. And yan lang guys. Sana nakatulong yung video. And sana patuloy pa rin kayong mag-support sa channel natin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.